So in today's video, we are going to learn Chaturanga practice. For the beginners, intermediate and advanced practitioners, I have many modifications and what are the common mistakes we need to avoid for Chaturanga so we can be a master of Chaturanga practice. So let's get started. Chaturanga is the one practice which we use everyone for the some transactions of the posture, right? एक पोस्चर से दूसरे पोस्चर में मूव करने के लिए हम चतुरंगा को ऐड करते हैं. तो हमारा फाउंडेशन पहले स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए ताकि हम चतुरंगा को और बेटर कर पाए. तो फर्स्ट ईयर आई एम यूजिंग एवरीवन द चेयर पोज. ओके, this is everyone usually will make first forward and then will move for chaturanga. Okay, what is a common mistake while jumping in chaturanga? We'll shift our body to the back, so that is why हमारे hips तो mountain बन जाते हैं, chest नीचे की तरफ चली जाती है और somehow we are getting pressure on our wrist. Okay, which is completely wrong. We need to correct this part. Just to remember, while jumping to the back in chaturanga, your elbow should closer. Okay, your elbow should closer and you are throwing your upper body to the front also. Okay, so you can balance good in chaturanga practice. Like how first I went when I went for the practice, you all have seen मेरी जो lower body थी वो पीछे की तरफ ज़्यादा move कर रही थी. So what we need to do, from the upper body we have to throw to the front also, so we can balance our body and almost our this part everyone it's coming 90 degree for the chaturanga practice. But वो कैसे possible है? Again from the standing I'm moving from the chair. Okay, placing the palm and just everyone with the chest you have to go to the front. It's not back. आपको थोड़ा आगे की तरफ भी move करना है. And then we are bringing our elbows closer to hold in chaturanga. Then upward facing dog, downward dog. Again just bend and jump. Okay, from here to again chaturanga practice. Upward facing dog, downward dog. Just you have to bend and jump. Okay, in that way we can just try the chaturanga bend. What are the common mistakes? Common mistake, डायरेक्ट आपको थ्रो नहीं करना, पीछे की तरफ आगे की तरफ भी मूव होना चाहिए. Try to just keep pressing this everyone your palms and your elbow should closer, right? 3 key points you need to remember to correct your chaturanga. So first हम try करते हैं direct, then one belt modifications, then next we have one block modification, then we are going for the one flow of chaturanga. What I have seen there, some of the practitioners are not able to make the direct practice. That time you can use the belt. Okay, the belt should be everybody shoulder distance apart. एक loop बनाओ, measure from the outer side of your shoulders and just put everyone your hands and open it. Okay, I would like to show if I am going for chaturanga. If I am going for chaturanga, everyone, that should be your below the chest part, right? That should be 90 degree. Everyone please remember while doing the practice of chaturanga with the belt, इसको ज़्यादा आप लूज ना करें. It should be a bit tight so you can hold easily here for the practice. I will start again from the chair. Okay, so now this time everybody, when you're going for the chair, just move it up or you can direct place your palms here also. Now from here to you all have to jump back, or you can first go for the high plank and slowly you can go down for chaturanga. Okay, in the chaturanga again please you need to correct आप body पीछे ना लेके जाए. It should be up only. Then upward facing dog, downward dog, jump, come up again. So your belt will come everyone now in the front of shin bone, or direct from here you can jump chaturanga. Upward facing dog, downward dog, jump up for the chair. Okay, so this is your second modification for the belt. I'm giving one more modification. First you will try with the belt 3 repetitions and the next will try with the block. So what is the block variation everybody? So in the block you will come first here for the table position, right? You place your palm here, table position. From the everyone table only you have to go for the practice, then only ये work करने वाला है. From the table you are moving for the downward dog. Okay, spread your fingers fully. Everybody from here you will go ahead. Okay, and then you will using everyone first the high plank. From the high plank you will try to move down, then your thighs will come everybody here. It is not like कि आप उसको लूज कर रहे हो, उसको एलिवेट रखने की कोशिश करना. In this everyone chaturanga, upward facing dog, again the downward dog. Okay, you can go direct also if your body allows. Upward facing dog, downward dog. Yes, high plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, downward dog. So what are the difference between the block and the belt wala part? Okay, while using the belt everyone, what you are doing, आपकी जो arm strength है वो इतनी यूज नहीं हो रही थी. Okay, you are less with the arm strength, you are more with the support of the belt. While using your blocks at the lower part of the body, आपका जो ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ जो यूज हो रहा था किसका हो रहा था? इट वॉज एवरी वन योर आर्म्स. कोर उस समय लेस थी, राइट? सो प्लीज रिमेंबर, जब आप ब्लॉक की तरफ ना यूज करते हैं द लोअर बॉडी की तरफ ब्लॉक्स, ओके, उस समय आर्म एक्टिवेशन ज़्यादा रहता है. अगर जब आप बेल्ट यूज कर रहे हो आर्म्स की तरफ, उस समय क्या होता है कि आपका जो आर्म एक्टिवेशन है वो इतना इंटेंस नहीं होता है, वो लेस हो जाता है. तो आपको दोनों से ट्राई करना है. लेट्स सी आपका कौन सा बेटर होता है. धीरे धीरे हमें बेल्ट को रिमूव करते हुए ब्लॉक्स पे आना है. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट ब्लॉक्स को रिमूव करते हुए हमें डायरेक्ट चतुरंगा प्रैक्टिस पे आना है. यू ट्राई नाउ, दोनों में से कोई भी मॉडिफिकेशन जो आपको परफेक्ट लगता है, then we'll move for the advanced flow of chaturanga. I hope you enjoy the practice of chaturanga, and if you wish to join our live online yoga classes, आप डिस्क्रिप्शन चेक करें, हमने कंप्लीट डिटेल्स मेंशन कर रखी है. अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो इसको सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करें ताकि जब भी कोई नेक्स्ट न्यू वीडियो अपलोड हो तो आपके पास एक नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. थैंक यू सो मच.